Is your Saab 93's alarm going off randomly? The most common culprits are the door latch switches and the siren battery. Door latch switches, small components within each door, can corrode or wear out, falsely signaling that a door is open. The siren has its own battery that weakens over time. When this battery depletes, it can cause false alarms as the system fails to properly reset. Start by inspecting your door switches for any signs of damage. You can test the continuity with a multimeter. Also, listen to the siren when the alarm activates. A weak or intermittent sound can indicate a failing siren battery. Fortunately, many Saab 93 alarm issues can be resolved with DIY solutions. For faulty door switches, lubricating or replacing them is a common fix. Replacement switches typically cost between $20 and $50. A full reset can also resolve issues. Hold the unlock button for 10 seconds while cycling the ignition. For the siren battery, replacement is usually necessary. After replacing any components, clear error codes. Aftermarket alarm modules or apps like Torque Pro can allow real-time alarm code reading and Bluetooth remote disabling. If these steps don't work, consult an independent mechanic familiar with Saab systems.